So, hi, the lesson today, the mission here today was to have this character be able to climb through a sheet of paper. And so what we did, we folded it, and in order for Ernie to be able to climb through the sheet of paper, we thought, well, could we do it by just cutting out the middle? So I folded the paper and cut out the middle, just holding the middle as I climb through. Here's the bit, that's the inner bit, don't need that. So will Ernie be able to climb through the sheet of paper without breaking it? Well, Ernie could, no problem. But what about a human? Okay, so there's another way of doing it. Let's get rid of these characters. Oh, off you go. Go away. Don't know what we're doing with all these shapes lying around. So what we did was we took a single sheet of paper, folded it along the way, and then we marked some lines. So from the folded edge, we marked lines from the folded edge to the outside edge, folded edge. And so they're not going all the way across the way, and we're just doing this so that we can see where we're going to cut. And so we cut first of all along the folded edge, not all the way, but we are following the lines again, trying not to cut our fingers. Turn it round. And thank you for waiting patiently. Okay, and so we've now sort of sliced up our paper along this way. That's a great trick. Wait, no. Then, so we don't cut the first fold here, but the second fold. Here, so we're then cutting through the folded bits. Ingenious, ingenious, I love it. And then you will see, and so you could challenge them, you can challenge the adults to try this, they won't be able to do that. Okay, here we go, and so now, so now even a human can go all the way through and have the sheet of paper. So it's not going to be a frame that does it. It's going to be a wonderful zigzag for Ernie to be able to come all the way through. Yeah.